Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can get best SketchUp discount promo codes in 2025. So first of all, you need to open a new web link, web browser, tap and search for SketchUp promo code and click on enter, and here you can see there are multiple web links. You just have to simply open one or two of them, and after that, if we go to the Simply Codes website, we can see that 10% off, 20% off, 25% off, and a special offer. You just have to simply click on any of the code, and it will simply copy the code from here and paste it to your SketchUp subscription or the cart you were purchasing or subscribing, and then you can get 10% off. And you can also click on shop at SketchUp. It will redirect you to the official website or automatically add the discount code to your cart. And you just have to check multiple of the codes and check for which code will work with you. And if you click on the sketchup.tenaryteam.com, you can see there are 70% off discount on first purchases. Great offer like SketchUp promo code, sign up for free trial in 7 days. SketchUp offers annual savings of 45% compared to monthly. You just have to simply click on the get deal option from here, and you just have to go to the store directly, and it will automatically add the discount code to your cart, and you can purchase it and claim the offer or the discount they are assuring you. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.